The wait to receive home care across Wales is at an all-time high and increasing. There are people at home waiting for care and people stuck in hospital taking up needed beds because there is no care available for them once they are at home. More and more staff are leaving the sector and home care providers are closing down. There are almost 2,000 social care vacancies currently. The staff and resources that providers do have are stretched and stressed. This lack of capacity massively impacts individuals who rely on domiciliary care to support them to live independent, fulfilling, healthy lives. Funded by the Welsh Government, we have been working with sector leaders to co-create a possible new model for domiciliary care here in Wales. We are now looking for input from all involved to shape the finer details so that it works for you. The model is based on a franchise or cooperative structure. At the centre of the idea is a not-for-profit organisation that could provide a variety of centralised support, resources and information to domiciliary care providers across Wales. For example, they could centralise their training, share their recruitment processes and join together to bulk buy things like insurance and essential equipment. The result being that time and money would be saved. These savings can then be reinvested into staff and individual businesses, helping make the services more sustainable, consistent, and in turn increase capacity. Staff will be able to move away from the pressures that come with being so time and task orientated. They will have access to more support and a more stable and positive working environment. Then most importantly, the person needing the home care will get the help they need at a consistently high standard when they need it most. Exactly what the central organisation will look like is what we want to look at next. For example, how is it funded? What does it provide? What are the benefits that will make the most difference to you? We're looking for feedback and ideas from providers, staff and people accessing care on what will and won't work. To find out how you can contribute, feel free to check out the information on this page and you can sign up to receive regular updates. We would love to hear from you.